Hey guys, I want to talk about delusions in this video. Delusions are the devil. Exorcisms are when you undelude someone. Everything that is evil is what causes delusion. The entire goal is to eradicate all delusion. Delusions are like strongholds that people have in their minds that the negative spiritual consequences on themselves and the rest of the world. So we have to eradicate delusion by pushing truth. It's become a cultural norm to be delusional. Well, we lose touch of what is true and what is false. And this has negative consequences. Truth is the only thing that can eradicate delusion. Delusion cannot be eradicated by more delusion. And so, when people do evil and stuff like this, it's actually wrong. It's actually wrong because it causes delusion. And I'm not saying delusion is bad because it causes like a mental confusion. I'm saying it's bad because it gives people evil satisfaction and gratification and things like this. So the entire goal, really, from the beginning, was to stay delusion free, to see things as they are. So it says man sharpens man as iron sharpens iron. The way I see is two souls interact, produce a light, and the light dispels the delusions in a person. And that's really what an exorcism is. It's when you undelude someone from their delusions, because delusions are the devil. Without delusion, we would be living in a perfect world. It's delusions that haunt us. It's delusions that cause anxiety, depression, and pain and selfishness. So the only direction, you can say, oh, we have to get to realize this, that, get people to get on board with this. The only goal is to eradicate delusion when and if it arises. So again, truth is the only thing that can. Truth is like a light. Delusion is, we can say, it's like darkness. The only thing that can push the darkness away is light. Light, of course, is affiliated with the word holiness and things like that. So I urge you all to start pursuing the path of truth. Because delusion is like when you lie to yourself to manipulate your view of reality and feel things a certain way. And see things a certain way. That has effects on others. You see how it's a chain effect, and it affects everybody, spiritually, physically, in the eyes, and mentally. The entire goal of all light workers everywhere and righteousness is the destruction of delusion by truth. So I urge you to always be seeking to basically clean your mind up. Now, delusions, they don't always surface, but they can be underneath too. You can have many delusions but not being aware of it. Oh snap, a big one goes out the window and you're left with your mind going crazy because, yeah, it was a delusion that made you happy. So delusions ain't cool, people. They hurt others, they hurt you. Now you know. # eradicate delusion.